Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to track your steps without any fancy fitness band, your Android phone does it already. Let me show you how. First, open the Google Fit app. If you don't have it, grab it from the Play Store. It's free and super accurate. Once open, you'll see your daily step count right on the home screen. You can also tap to see weekly or monthly progress. If you want to stay motivated, tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And here, set a daily step goal. Google Fit will notify you when you reach it. On Samsung phones, you can also use Samsung Health. It works similarly and gives detailed reports on your steps and even calories. Now you know exactly how much you are walking with just your phone. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Android tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.